This is not just a house. It is a reflection of how modern American living is changing. Warm. Minimal. Intentional. Every material is chosen with care. Every space is designed to feel lived in, not just admired. This home moves away from cold perfection and replaces it with comfort, light, and balance. Welcome to the new American Warm Minimalist Modern home.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
From the first moment, the exterior sets the tone. Clean modern lines are softened by subtle arches. Natural stone and warm wood create balance. Large glass panels invite light while maintaining privacy. Earthy colors replace harsh whites, grounding the home in its surroundings. This facade does not demand attention. It earns it, quietly and confidently. As you step inside, the living room opens completely. A double-height ceiling creates space to breathe. Sunlight flows through floor-to-ceiling glass, shaping soft shadows. Stone and wood add warmth without distraction. Furniture is minimal, but deeply comfortable. This is a space designed for connection, pause, and presence. The master bedroom is calm by design. Soft terracotta and beige tones quiet the space. Warm wood panels add depth without noise. Light filters gently through sheer curtains. Nothing feels excessive. Everything feels intentional. This room is not about luxury, it is about rest. The kitchen blends beauty with purpose. A stone island anchors the room. Warm wood cabinetry keeps the space grounded. Integrated appliances preserve clean lines. This layout encourages movement and conversation. It is a kitchen made for daily life, not display. Above the living area, the mezzanine adds depth. It overlooks the space below without closing it off. Wood flooring maintains warmth, Minimal railings preserve openness. This area adapts easily, reading, relaxing, or reflecting. It connects levels, both visually and emotionally. The bathroom feels calm and tactile. Natural stone walls. Textured concrete floors. A freestanding tub as the focal point. Lighting is soft and indirect. Every detail supports relaxation. This is not just a bathroom. It is a daily reset. The front yard continues the architectural story. Stone pathways guide movement. Native plants add softness without excess. Nothing competes with the house. Everything supports it. The result is a welcoming approach that feels composed and intentional. The rooftop offers a quiet escape. Minimal seating. Warm wood decking. Open sky above. From here, the home feels grounded yet expansive. It is a place to slow down, reflect, and breathe. The home office is designed for focus. Natural light supports long work hours. Warm materials prevent visual fatigue. Storage is built-in and discreet. This space proves that productivity and comfort can coexist. The backyard extends the living space outward. Glass doors slide open completely. Stone patios meet warm wood structures. Evenings feel calm and intimate. This is where indoor comfort meets outdoor freedom. This new American Warm Minimalist Modern home shows us something important. Modern design does not need to feel cold. It can be warm. It can be human. And when architecture is designed with intention, it becomes more than a house. It becomes a way of living.